Okay, we're going to activate our free Vizrt artist license. Before you can activate your license, you must install the Vizrt licensing service. And this service handles the communication between the software and your local computer. So when you connect to the Vizrt portal for the very first time, the welcome page should provide you a download link for that installer. So I'm going to go ahead and start that up here. And when you start it up, it has this interface right here. So next, we're going to go to the new Vizrt licensing portal. And to do that, we go to license.vizrt.com. So here, it takes you to the screen. It says if you are an artist free user, please enter your username and password here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll go ahead and hit login. Okay, once we log in, it takes us to our licenses page. Here we can see our license that we currently have for our free Vizrt machine. Next, we want to jump over to the free Vizrt. Here, what we want to do is create license. So we're going to go ahead and click on create license. And here it created a new license. It gives us a new expiration date. So we're going to jump back to licenses. And here is our new license that we have. And now we're going to say activate licenses. And then we get a choice here, a CM dongle or CM act license. It says I want my license offline on one computer. We're going to use that. So we will click on it. Here's our license. We're going to select our license here. Select our container, which we have. If we have a drop down here, I only have one container. You might have multiple containers depending on how many machines you're using. So we're going to say activate selected license now. You get another window here. It says please wait. The selected licenses are being transferred. So this might take a couple of minutes to complete. And once it's done, you can hit OK. Your license should be activated now. And next step would be to go into Artist and test it out. So that's what we'll go do right now. We'll start Graphic Hub, and then we'll go ahead and start Vizrt Artist. And you'll be able to tell if your license is activated because you'll go right into the software program of Vizrt Artist and not the Vizrt config. Now the first time you start up Vizrt Artist, it may take a couple of minutes just to configure everything and run through the settings that it needs to configure to start. Okay, here you can see Vizrt Artist has now started and we have our new license. And if you want to check the details of your license, you can click on this little icon. It says Viz Artist information in the upper right of Vizrt Artist. And here it will tell you your license information and valid until when. So this is how long your license is valid until. Once it runs out, you'll need to go ahead and reactivate and run through that whole process again.